Hello friends, I'm back again with a new and adventurous story from Arabian Nights. And it has been taken from Magic Pot. The title is Island of Diamonds. Yes, and you all know Sinbad, so let's start. Once Sinbad and many other merchants set out together on a voyage. Voyage क्या होता है? ये होता है सामुद्रिक यात्रा, है ना? समुद्र की जर्नी जो होती है. On the way, they found a calm, quiet island. They decided to stay there for the night because they were very tired, you know. There were no human living there. Everything was quiet. Everyone slept inside the ship. They didn't notice that Sinbad had slept peacefully under a tree on the island. When he woke up next morning, Sinbad realized that others had left him behind. They had thought that Sinbad was on the ship and they missed him, and the ship went away, leaving him behind on the island alone on the silent island. सोचो तो जरा. Sindbad was a courageous man. हाँ, वो डरपोक तो नहीं था. He wandered around the island looking for a shelter. Then he saw a mountain full of diamonds. सोचो वो हीरे के बड़े बड़े पहाड़ चमकते हुए. But there were many snakes all over the mountain. Sinbad walked over the mountains as if they were just stones. Then he found a huge bird sleeping. The legs of the bird were as long as trees. बहुत बड़ी चिड़िया थी. उसके पैर जो थे ना एक बड़े बड़े पेड़ के इतने बड़े. Sinbad collected big pieces of diamond, stuffed them. इधर भरा उधर भरा, पूरे पॉकेट में भर लिया. अरे थोड़े टोप में भी भर लिया, जैकेट में भी भर लिया. हर एक जगह जहाँ जहाँ भी भर सक रहा था उसने सारे डायमंड भर लिए. He climbed over the bird and lay on its shoulder. Bird thought that Sinbad was just a little insect. Next morning, the bird flew high into the air. Bird उड़ने लगी. As the bird was going on its way, Sinbad jumped down on a treetop. Some hunters saw this. They were very frightened when they saw a man falling from the sky. उन्होंने सोचा ये कौन है? ये कैसे आकाश से जंप कर रहा है? Sinbad told the hunter later his story and gifted them some of the diamonds also. The happy hunters arranged a ship for him. And thus Sinbad returned home and he got much richer and with one more incredible adventurous story to tell to his friend. Like Sinbad, today we have another incredible video shared by our own friend Rayan. Awesome, Rayansh. Thank you, dear, to listen, understand, and help your parents. And a very big thank you to all the parents to keep the children occupied and happy in these times. Keep smiling, all. Bye-bye. Ta-da!